Hey guys, welcome back. We've been doing the course, and like in each and every program, we have to read an input from the user. In Java, it's a little different. We'll have to import packages in Java in order to use a certain method or function of that sorts. So here we'll be importing the package called Java util, and that we'll be importing the class called scanner. This is basically used to have our inputs, read our inputs from the user, and I'll have to declare an object in order to access all the methods that come under scanner class. Scanner class is completely used to take an input from the user, right? So there are a billion other methods under them, and I've declared my object as OB, and the same syntax to declare an object, and that's going to be my print statement. And now I'll be taking the input. My variable is name, and I call the object dot. These are all the methods that come under scanner class. So let me take next line. This takes an input as a string from the user, and now I'll print the output, the name. So let's see what we get. Here we go. Let me enter the name. And that's my output, which is taken from the user.